Huh?
Secret you never tell your ex.
Ex?
Yeah.
What is that?
Boy, if you don't get...
Like, girlfriend where you break up with?
Girlfriend? No, I don't have any girlfriend.
Here we go again. If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. I piss and pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. Internet gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win with my back is the road. Rockin' off white so she think I'm the Pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat Yt. I'm back here with another banger video. Today guys, we're doing a little public interview. Yt. Every day me I drop now.
Psych!
When I drop video every day, but consistent as Yt. So yeah, Gucci records. So wanna go subscribe to the man. We are Gucci, you know, say if you in the thing, you know, dog. Come. You think me did I go call in the video? Come, show out your Instagram or your YouTube.
Look, no, I'm gonna subscribe to my channel Yt and subscribe. Yeah, just subscribe. I know you are, yes. Just subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Gucci official billboard right now. Yeah.
Yo, first time I do video with the man. First time we do video with the man. So yeah, let's get in the video. Alright, so I'm here with
Tony.
I'm RonDaGreat.
Official Gucci.
Alright, official Gucci. Alright, so what's the secret you never tell your ex?
Oh, dab on him! Yeah, me not live with nobody, you know.
That's tough. Dang. That's tough.
Yeah,
You never there with no girl?
Yeah, man. What the things me not tell her?
Why you never tell her? Why you want to sit in the camera? You forget to tell her something.
I'm not for say no.
That you want him to.
I can't think of what I never tell her. I basically tell her everything when me and her do that. I never used to cheat, so she never have to worry about that.
Oh, alright, so if this blow up, she know, yeah. So alright. Yeah, thanks. I'm here with
Sweet Temple.
alright, so I'm RonDaGreat. So the question for today is what the secret you never tell your ex?
That kind of complicated, you know. Secret me never tell my ex. Basically, every Jamaica, if you deal with a girl, every Jamaica tell them girls say them never cheat on them before.
Psych!
But basically, yeah, she get cheat on the Yt.
Got it! Got it!
So I'm RonDaGreat.
Caliber.
Official Gucci.
Official Gucci. Alright, so me and this man here ask you why secret you never tell your ex?
Well, it depends upon which ex, cause me have an ex somebody to tell so she can't fucking
John knows.
Turn your big ass around and get the fuck back to your fucking seat. The fuck is wrong with your ashy ass?
So that's a personal business.
Get your fat ass back here.
I can't ask how much. Yeah. But yeah,
That's what I thought.
that's it.
Yeah, man, I eat that bad. I would say no, we have to just move her right along and on to the next one. Is it?
Yeah, alright, thanks. I'm RonDaGreat. I'm here with
Rico.
Alright, so the question for today is what's the secret you never tell your ex?
Well, me never tell her, I love her still, but
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap! No bullshit, bro!
I wouldn't think that's a secret, but I think she know, but it's not.
You know any more secret you want?
You tell her? Yeah. No, not really, but she's at the time when me know her, I like her better when me know her before she get big in that business.
Oh.
It's a music business. She the humble.
She like one of them singer there and them.
Yeah, well, she a dancer now, she done singer.
Oh.
So I think global man, she bad.
Alright, Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man.
So I'm RonDaGreat. I'm here with
Tariq.
Alright, Tariq. So Tariq, the question for today is why a secret you never tell your ex?
Secret never tell me ex.
Yeah.
No, some no secret, or just that.
No other
never
ex.
love them, isn't me?
Oh, you know no other ex where secret you never tell him.
No secret, dog. Just tell them as it is, isn't me?
I left them.
Germs, you treat germs like germs, isn't me? And you treat wife like wife, so you don't keep secret then at all. Just tell them as it is.
True.
That's what I say.
Yeah. Alright, so thanks. I'm RonDaGreat. I'm here with
Alright, I work at Acorn Sales Auto.
So dumb. You are really dumb.
No, me I say I'm RonDaGreat. I'm here with like any.
Oh, my name is Gat. Mac Norton.
Alright, so the question for today is why secret you never tell your ex?
Huh?
Secret you never tell your ex.
X?
Yeah.
What is that?
Boy, if you don't get.
Like girlfriend when you break up with.
Girlfriend? No, I don't have any girlfriend.
Dang. That's tough.
I don't have any girlfriend.
Alright. Thanks. Alright, so guys, that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on notification bell, and if you're new, just subscribe. And yo, tell me if you like the video, and peace out. Yeah.
Here we go again. If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. I piss and pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. And then that gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win, but my back is the road. Rockin' off white, so she think I'm the Pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best, and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend.